We're getting ready to draw the winner for our February 2018 contest for $500 off a heat pump installation from Hometown Heat Pumps. So let's get right to it.
Here we go.
And the winner is, drum roll.
Don't know yet. Here we go. John Coleman from Bangor.
Congratulations, John.
Congratulations.
$500 off a heat pump installation. We'd like to make another announcement. Fujitsu is offering additional rebates on top of the Efficiency Main rebates of $150, $300, and up to $500 off a heat pump. And that starts March 1st, so now's a really, really good time to get installed. You can really save big. And for Bangor residents, there's an additional rebate that the City of Bangor is offering, so you can even save even more. So right now is a really good time to have one installed. So just give us a call, and we'll set up an appointment. Or
you can call us, you can send us a text, email, even chat on our website or Facebook, whatever is easiest for you. So contact us for a consultation, and you can really save a lot of money on a heat pump. And just give us a call at 416-7629. Thanks.
And also stay tuned for further giveaways and contests that we will be holding. Thank you.